Welcome to Flight Director, the jet pooling hub. This is our tutorial on how to be a flight director. You can become a flight director by creating your own flight and electing to be the flight director, or by electing to become the flight director on an existing flight plan. You must be at least 18 years old in order to perform this role. Access the Flight Director console from here and select the flight you wish to edit if you are the flight director on multiple flights. The taskbar is a visual indicator of your progress through each stage of the process. Once a task is completed, you can tick it off. And the first task is to get quotes. In the Flight Director console, under the Aircraft Quotes section, you can view operators from the departure or the destination city, or brokers from the departure or destination country. Click on any that you wish to view. You can visit their website, or just simply request a quote. You can request as many quotes as you wish. Task 2 is to display those quotes. Once again, access the Flight Director console, and under the Flight Plan heading, you can open the tab and enter all the details. You can enter as many quotes as you wish. Any quotes entered here will ultimately be displayed on the flight plan. These will be visible to any other jet poolers interested in your proposed flight. Once other jet poolers have decided to join you and elected to be ready to fly on your proposed flight, you're ready for Task 3, to add jet poolers to the lounge. On the Flight Director console, scroll down to the Jet Poolers section. Click on Add Jet Pooler from the flight plan and select the jet poolers who are waiting to join. These will now be visible in the Virtual Departure Lounge. It is here in the Virtual Departure Lounge that you can discuss the finer details of the proposed flight, the preferred departure or destination points, specific dates, and any other requirements. These can then be uploaded by the Flight Director, again using the Flight Director console. The details decided upon by those jet poolers and the Flight Director in the Virtual Departure Lounge can be updated in the Virtual Departure Lounge section of the Flight Director console. Click on Flight Information and you can input all the data required. When the group has decided on their requirements, they choose a broker or operator that best satisfies their needs. The Flight Director will then contact that operator or broker to request a more accurate final price. Once received, this final price can be entered into the Payment Information section on the Flight Director console. These updated details will now be visible in the Virtual Departure Lounge. The next step is to ensure that all passengers have confirmed their details. In order to confirm details, passengers must access the Virtual Departure Lounge, click Confirm Details, and ensure that all their personal details are accurate and correct. These details will only be shared with the specific operator or broker with whom you have chosen to travel. It is now the job of the Flight Director to forward these details to the chosen operator or broker. This can be done simply by accessing the Flight Director console. Under the Jet Poolers section, forward passenger details to operator or broker. All passengers who have successfully completed their confirmed details will be listed. Click on Send Details. It's as simple as that. Next, you must choose how to pay. All members of the group must pay using the same method. Click on the Make Payment button and choose your preferred method. Pay the operator or broker directly, organised by you, the flight director, liaising with the flight provider. In this case, our services here at Flight Director have been completely complimentary. Otherwise, you can all pool your money through Flight Director Limited. This option incurs a 5% charge. Once everyone has paid, you can complete the final Flight Director task by updating the flight status in the Virtual Departure Lounge. Go to the Flight Director console. In the Virtual Departure Lounge Update section, slide the button to confirm the booking. Your job here is done, all the tasks are complete, and you get to benefit from a 50% reduction in the other JetPoolers fare. We hope you enjoy your well-deserved flight in luxury at an unbelievable price. If you found this video useful, consider liking it or subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. Flight Director. Meet, share, fly.